Going today, I'm going to show you guys how you can unfreeze your Experian credit. So there are multiple ways to do it. First thing, what you can do is if it's an Experian credit directly, what you can do is call on this number, which is 888-397-3742. If it's a TransUnion, then you can call on 888-916-8800. If it's an Equifax one, then you can call on 888-298-0045. Now, to do the credit report, if that has been, freezed, what you can do is head over to your account and then go to Help Center. And then if you're on the mobile, then you need to tap on three bars at the top right of your dashboard and you'll find Manage Security Freeze or simply Security Freeze in the quick action. And from there, you need to just unfreeze it, or you could also call this number 888-397-3742. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.